Welcome to the Passionate Roaditor, TPR, where we stay on the road to keep you safe on the road. Exactly 1 month ago, on 14th March 2025, Kenyans woke up to the news of a grisly accident at Migaa along the infamous Sachangwan downhill stretch on the Eldoret-Nakuru highway. 14 lives were lost when a trailer is alleged to have suffered brake failure while going downhill, lost control, and hit a matatu. All the occupants of the Kitale shuttle involved perished. As a result of this accident, the Kenya National Highways Authority's Corridor B Director, Engineer Kibet Tergin, said the authority plans to conduct civic education for motorists on the proper use of runaway lanes. The lengthy downhill section has multiple runaway track ramps, which should aid in avoiding catastrophic accidents due to brake failure. A month down the line since Engineer Kibet Tergin revealed those plans, the Passionate Roaditor, TPR, is yet to hear of any development in public towards civic education on the use of the runaway track ramps. Have you heard of any? Post your feedback on the comments section. TPR is highlighting this issue due to the fact that 7 months prior to the accident at Migaa in March, another accident that similarly claimed 14 lives took place at the same spot. It involved a coast bus and a Toyota Passo. In that accident, which took place in August 2024, the coast bus is said to have experienced brake failure. It also passed the runaway track ramps, which are meant to address a brake failure emergency. If KENHA drags its feet in educating drivers on the existence of and proper use of runaway track ramps, the potential for an accident along the Sachangwan-Migaa downhill stretch will remain elevated. TPR hopes KENHA will take immediate action to educate drivers on the use of runaway track ramps, since knowledge is power and prevention is better than cure. Do like, share, and subscribe to TPR, where your safety on the road and arrival to your destination is our cherished priority. To view the analysis that TPR provided of the accident that happened on 14th March 2025, click on the link on your top left. To view the analysis by TPR of the accident that happened in August 2024, click on the link on the top right. Remember, just because a road is smooth doesn't mean it is safe.